Dorkhas TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabal ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMLA ka Ronggara Siju constituency Rakkam isangma ubalong ru menteri ka sarkar jelau lai thu baw Ladep an Phah ya ka Dorkhas cha menteri rong ba ka jelau konrat kongkal sangma ban kerpat ya ka sarkar pedeng bakan Pynïasoh ya ka Lynti rel na mendi pathar Shaki benta jong ka Baghmara South Garo Hills lengba ka Nonggal Bibra Nitura Tikrikila Dalu ha ka jinga krem bikila pathai khubor ha ka arpwei trik unai tung aja pesan Rakkam ulai thu basyan ukonrat sangma unsa Phah ya ka Dorkhas jing terwa shaka sarkar India bakan bishar
given a memorandum to Honorable Chief Minister requesting him to extend the connection of railway from Mendipata to Baghmara. Is by Nongal Bibra or by Tura, Tura, Tikrikila, Karupada, Dalu to Baghmara. It's up to the government proposal. That's why we need if you look back at the pre-independence, right? In the pre-independence, so the India and East Pakistan was well connected. In literally not through rain, right? So we were flourishing in business before. But after the partition happened, that India and Bangladesh or Pakistan, so we cannot do business anymore. We have many natural resources, many agricultural products that we cannot sell our product. So look, if you talk about if the situation arises in Bangladesh, our main market, especially for Megalayans, would have been Bangladesh, right? But in view of political situation at present, it's a different story. But if the situation is different, if it is a normal time, so Bangladesh would have been a good market for Northeast, for the Megalayans. Therefore, in that connection, look, we cannot isolate the livelihood of our people is very important. The population are growing, unemployment is growing very huge, and tomorrow we're gonna face the employment crisis. It is not the question of India or Meghalaya; it's a global challenge for every nation. So we should open more opportunity, right? So the market is the things that we look for. So therefore, look, many young people want to engage in the business, be it in tourism, be it in agriculture, be it in transport, be it industry, in any industry. Look, this government jobs are very limited. But however, there's every action has an equal and opposite direction. How much we have the more population, that much the employment opens more, right? Challenge open more, right? Therefore, how much earlier we don't have the hospital. There is the doctor. There is a disease also, except malaria and fever. Today, we have many hospitals. Do all this hospital solve all the diseases? No, it is not. How much hospital came up? How much medical institutions came? How much doctor we have increased more? That much the disease also has increased, which is beyond the understanding of many medical experts even today. Right? Suppose in Corona, it was a surprise for everybody. No philosopher, no scientist, no medical expert could solve it. Right? It's just physics theory, Newton's third law was always applied. Every action is equal and opposite reaction. So therefore, as the world goes on, we need to, as a government, we need to find the ways how to make young people to engage in exploring finding the ways for livelihood. With that intention, we have requested our Honorable Chief Minister. So if this can be connected, if it is possible, so I think I don't know, Doctor, but Honorable Chief Minister will definitely take up the matter with the government of India. So we have requested for that purpose.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hakador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata kawei ki sopti kadai kawei ki design tang naka benta jongpi wan jet nok loi na molai moro bat namot pran po no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra